Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. In this video, I'm going to share why I don't create videos on Shatkarma practices even though many people have requested it. Shatkarma. Shatkarma I practice on a regular basis. In Shatkarma, I practice Vaman Dhoti, Kunjal, Vastra Dhoti. I practice Sutra Niti, Jal Niti, Noli, Kapal Bhati, Tratak sometimes. I practice Shankha Prakshalan also. So I practice these on a regular basis, and I encourage everyone to learn these practices. But I avoid making demonstration videos or tutorials on Shatkarma practices. I have got requests in the past. You can see it in the comments also. Many people have asked for it, demonstration or tutorial video. In the past, I have also got a call from an employer in France. So this happened during the COVID time. So they got to know that these practices, cleansing practices, help boosting the, improving the immune system, and it is really good for the physical body. So he wanted a tutorial video so that his employees can learn and get benefited out of it. The cause was really good, but then he wanted a video only. He didn't want a live session. So that is why I declined that request, because I was not okay with making a video and then sharing that video with others for learning purpose. I've also got a call for an organization also recently for the Kunjal practice. Again, I declined that request. So why I am declining these requests? I know that if I post a video on these practices, the views will increase a lot. I've seen that with the Noli video. Noli techniques I have shared, the step-by-step Noli techniques, how to learn it. So that I've shared, and I've got a very good response on that. And I know that if I post the videos on Shatkarma, that are also going to go very well. But it's not about views. It's not about views. The reason why I don't make these videos is because my teacher, when he taught me, my Guruji, when he taught me, he taught one thing very clearly, that there are certain practices for which you should not create videos, because you don't know how that video is going to be utilized at the other end. Yoga, these practices are very, it's very impactful for the body, for the physical body, for the mental also. So you have to be very cautious what you are sharing with people. So that had been there in my mind always. I have only made one video on that is for Delhi University. I have made one video on Kunjal tutorial because I was covering that theme, Kunjal. In that video also, if you see, I have made it in a manner that you will not get a complete, though every instruction is clearly given, but still you would need a full video, from zero to the complete video, complete tutorial, which I have not provided. I have encouraged people not to use that video and start doing the practice. Instead, they should learn it from the teacher directly, whatever time it takes. So the reason why I'm doing this, one is very clear. My teacher told me that there are certain practices, especially the Shatkarma cleansing practices, for which the video should not be made, and because you can't see how people are using it. The other thing I have learned from my own experience, I'm sharing that with you. So I wanted to learn Vastra Dhoti, but I could not learn it in Morarji Desai National Institute of Yoga. I bought the muslin cloth, that Vastra Dhoti cloth, and I kept that with myself for 4 years because I wanted to learn it, but I was not able to find the right teacher who could teach me Vastra Dhoti properly. So one day what happened, I got this thought that okay, there are so many videos on YouTube, let me just learn how to do it. If I get the confidence that I could do it from the videos, I will do it. So I checked around 8 to 10 videos, and I'm telling you, those 10 videos, but of course it gave me an idea of how to do it, but still I felt that something was missing. They all have some or the other differences. So why these differences are coming? So I felt there is something missing there, the clarity was missing. So I didn't go for it. My heart didn't allow me. After 5 years, I finally found the teacher in Varanasi. He was very well experienced. He knew the basics, everything about Vastra Dhoti. So I went there. I learned there. I think I took 2 or 3 sessions with him. And let me tell you this, that the way he taught me, the things that he shared, those things, those cautions, those basics were missing in all the videos that I saw. Not a single video had all the information. And those information, those those are very important for a person, for a beginner to start practicing Vastra Dhoti. That was the time, it hit me that these practices must learn from a teacher directly. It should not be learned from a video, just the video. So that was from my personal experience. And I tell you what happens, this I'm sharing because I saw many videos. So in my mind, when I thought also that I will learn from a video, I was not satisfied with one video. I saw around 8 to 10 videos. And if at all I would have tried it, I would have not followed a single video. I would have made a mixture of multiple videos, whatever, would have felt nice to me on parts. So I would have made a khichdi of it and I would have done it. I don't know what would have happened then. But, that time I realized that if I prepare a video and put it on YouTube as a tutorial, people may not follow it totally. Those of you who know me from the beginning, they may do it, but mostly if they are watching me for the very first time, they will make a mixture of multiple videos including mine and then practice something which I don't know how it will turn up. So I don't want to be a reason directly, indirectly for any misuse of the practices. So that is the reason I don't post my tutorial videos on Shatkarma. In the video that I have posted for Delhi University also, it's there in my channel. There also I have mentioned clearly that though I have shared this tutorial, it's very it's not advisable to learn from this source directly. You must need a teacher there. Understand, I've been practicing this for like 10-12 years. The ease with which I'm practicing, you may not have that ease. Those difficult, you will find it very difficult. Your mental state will be very different from mine, because I know I had practiced it, my brain knows it, but you will be in a totally different mindset. So when you see me doing something, it will vary, it will be very different from how you are going to do it, because your mindset is different. So at that point, when you are learning it for the very first time, you need the person who can see how your mindset is changing, who can give you the confidence, who can support you, and guide you on areas where you are making mistake by watching you. So that is the reason these videos should not be promoted. These videos on Shatkarma, tutorial videos, should not be made and shared for for people to try and do it. That is my feelings. Of course, others' feelings can be different. If you find the teacher in your area, the person should be well experienced. Understand, it shouldn't be the person who has learned it once and then he or she has never practiced it, because with time we tend to forget. So that is why it's very important that the person from who you are learning these practices, because these practices are very rare, you must learn it from an experienced teacher. If at all you are not able to find such teacher in your area, then in that case contact the teacher online, because online also we are able to see you, but you must practice under our supervision for the first few times. Like I teach Jalniti, I teach Vaman Dhoti, Kunjal. I teach Vaman Dhoti and Jalniti to people online. And in most of the cases, till now only once it has happened that the 2 classes I had to take, 2 sessions I have to take. But otherwise, people generally learn it in first session. So I cover both these Jalniti and Kunjal in one session, in 1 hour session. Sometimes it exceeds from 1 hour, but it's okay. And I charge 1000 rupees for that session if you are residing in India. And if you are from abroad, I charge 25 USD for that one session. Most of the people learn in the first session. There has been only one situation where I have covered 2 sessions for a student, because he didn't have the confidence to do on the second day on his own. So I had to take 2 sessions in that case. But otherwise, in all the cases, 1 session was enough. So yeah, so the process, how frequently it should be done, that is something I'm not going to cover, because I told you I'm not going to talk about the process. So yeah, if you are interested, these are very, very good practices. You must learn, and if you are interested, you can contact me. First contact should always be your close by teacher who can come and teach you in physical presence. That will be always preferred. So yeah, if you want to really learn under the supervision of me, not from my video. I hope it makes sense to you. You understand the intention, and you understand that it is for your own good, not for me. It is for you, and I'm not making video. on Shatkarma practices. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful to you. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.